Joining us now to talk about all this, Tippecanoe County's Public Health Officer, Dr. Jeremy Adler. Dr. Adler, thanks again so much for being with us. Those basketball hoops coming down, you think that was the right thing to do?
I think in a situation like this where you have groups of individuals gathering to play pickup basketball games, unfortunately measures like this have to be taken for everyone's safety.
What about enforcement options if you see large gatherings? I'm sure your office has been made aware probably more often than we have about large gatherings of people. What mechanism do you have to try to break that up?
Well, I think, all of us, if we do see a large gathering and it doesn't appear that a few kind words is going to work, then just like Mayor Dennis said, we do have the option of notifying the authorities, the police, and having them come and try to get the crowd to disperse.
Now, the businesses aside, I'm talking about just us, the people. It seems to me that the vast majority of us are practicing proper social distancing, and we get angry, which of us aren't. So what can we do as individuals when we see what we deem to be inappropriate conduct?
Well, I think, certainly reminding other people politely of the social distancing rules that we all need to follow currently is a good idea, and trying to educate them if they maybe are a little confused about what social distancing is and what things are allowed and aren't allowed. I think those are good ideas.
Are you satisfied with what you see as social distancing right now?
Well, I think, like you said, I think most people are doing their best to follow the social distancing guidelines and rules set forth in Governor Holcomb's executive order. There are always going to be people, unfortunately, who aren't following them. Maybe they don't understand them or maybe they don't agree with them. But, if we've learned one thing this week with over 1 million cases worldwide, close to 250,000 cases in the U.S., over 3,000 cases in Indiana, we're seeing a further glimpse of what this virus is capable of. And so now's the time for all of us to take action, and that action is staying at home and only leaving our homes when it's for essential travel or essential activities. When we're out, we need to avoid large crowds, and social distance, keeping 6 feet between ourselves and other people. We need to practice meticulous hygiene, including frequent hand washing and disinfecting of surfaces. These are the things that we need to do to prevent a large surge of cases in our community, and we all must do these things now to ensure that our community remains healthy.
Okay, Dr. Adler, unfortunately we are out of time. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
I'm sure we'll be